Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to cancel Canva Pro subscription. All right, so let's begin with the video. So, for whatever reason, you no longer want Canva Pro and you want to cancel it. Maybe you've had the trial and you don't want to pay for it, or maybe you've purchased the Pro version and now want to cancel it. All you need to do is go to the top right and click on your profile icon. You'll see a list of options. Click on Settings. Then on the left side, locate Billing in the menu. And here you will see your current plan. If you are on a trial, it will be displayed here. Click on the three dots on the right-hand side, then select Cancel Plan. You will see a message showing how many days you have left in your free trial. If you're sure you want to continue, click on Continue Cancellation. Then select a reason for canceling. For example, I don't use all of the features. Once you've confirmed, click Cancel Subscription, and that's it. Your Canva Pro plan has now been canceled. A confirmation message will appear, stating that you will lose access to Canva Pro on the specified date. So that's basically how you can cancel Canva Pro subscription. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.